The purpose of this video is to show you how a pressure reducing valve works. Here we have a B2000 valve together with a pressure reducing pilot. The water flow from the left to the right. We have to release the air pocket from the cover of the valve. To do this, we have to fill the chamber with water, turn the selector to the open, keep it open at least during 5 seconds, and release water together with air. We have to turn again the selector to the closed position, and again you have to turn the selector to the open position during at least again 5 seconds. Now there is not air on the chamber. Now you have to start to set the valve, to set the pressure you want to protect your system. You have to turn counterclockwise the screw on the pilot, and afterwards you have to connect the auto on the selector. Now you have to turn the screw on the pilot on the counterwise. By turning one time, you will see maybe there is water venting from the vent port on the pilot. That means the valve starts to be open. Then you have to wait a little time in order to fill your irrigation system. Whenever your irrigation system is full of water, you have to take a tool and try to perform with the screw on the pilot the pressure you will need downstream the valve. Whenever you will arrive to this pressure, you have to lock the nut, the pilot, and the valve is fully set. This is the way you have to perform in a pressure reducing valve. But if you want to learn a few more about how the hydraulic valve works, go to our website or ask to our technical department in Rivolis.